What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to be back working on the Mini, installing the slam panel and the front grille. So we've got the slam panel, the bonnet lock mechanism and the front grille here. So let's get this installed. So pretty much the bonnet support, the slam panel has to go along here and it has to be bolted in here. Two there. And then we've also got two here and then another one here. This is actually the cable that goes inside the car. So when you pull the latch, pull the lever, pretty much this little cable here, this little cord pulls. So we've got to make sure that that connects into the mechanism. We've got to fit this slam panel here on top, but we've got to run the cable first. Right, so first and foremost I'm going to connect up the cable here for the bonnet release mechanism. I'm going to run that along here under the slam panel, and then once that's all in, bolted down, I can then fit the grille. So inside here, this just pulls open like so. There's a little indentation there and a circular indentation. So pretty much the cable has got a ball at the end of it and you feed that through here and then the ball obviously just fits in there and then this slams shut. Also there's some clips on the cable here. That obviously just pushes into the radiator support there. So that way the cable doesn't move. Pretty much these clips go into these little tabs here on the radiator support. Place the slam panel on top. So what I'll do is I'll just put in these bolts here, just finger tight, just to line everything up. And what I need to do now is I need to push the lock mechanism up from underneath and then put the screw bolts in here. Right, as I said, what we'll do now is we'll put this cable into the connector here, and then that way, once this is in correctly, we pull the lever, this pulls back, which then in turn pulls these cables and opens the locks both sides. So we line up the ball first in the slot, pull back, and then push it in, okay? And that's pretty easy, that's how it works. It just pulls these cables here. Pretty simple design. That pushes in, clips in. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll tighten up these two bolts at this side and this side. This side, I'll just line up the markings on the slam panel and tighten it up. Two rubber duggers. Right, so what I'm going to actually do is simulate the bonnet or the hood actually closing down and shutting the locks. So I'll just push the latch down, if I can do this. Okay, that's one in. And then the other side. Okay, so that's me simulating that the bonnet's now shut. So I'll go inside and hopefully these should spring open. Release cable in here. Okay, quite clearly the lock's released. Just to check, just to clarify, that's open. And that's open. Okay, and that's as easy as that. So the next stage now is we're going to fit these two side pieces. Now on the left hand side of the vehicle, the one that's actually got the cable for the bonnet release mechanism, you can see here there's actually a groove there where the cable will slot in, and then the little box there, the little joiner box goes in here. So we've just got to make sure that everything goes into the right place and it lines up prior to actually clipping it down. Now the clips are pretty much just little push fit clips. So all that happens is that goes through the hole there, both holes, the holes down there, and then that just pushes in, and then it thickens out, expands, and then stops that moving. Okay, so let's do that now. That there, it's got to go there. There. That's one in. 2. And then we've got this little plastic nut here. Okay, just 10 mil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the 4 tabs at the bottom here against the 4 slots and the bumper. And push that all the way in. And it's quite easy, everything just all clips into place. What we're going to start by doing now is fitting the push fit connectors. There's 4 along the top there, and then we'll just push it through the hole and then push the clip all the way in, and then that'll be the grill fitted. So what we do first of all, we just line all the holes up, push the outer casing in of the plastic push fit connector. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll just push everything in. Okay, and that's it. It's not going to go anywhere. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.